All I've been thinking for a few days, 2-3 weeks, is it's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. Camp 29, I can't wait. But now I don't have to. Let's go find out where we're gonna be for the night. Here on Wannabe Camping. Let's go. It's like coming through the jungle. Used to be a river here. I was just thinking, what a shame, because under here is so cool from the heat. Further up. Thanks to the heat wave, we can walk through this. This is a little bit squidgy. You can definitely tell that it would have been inaccessible on any other day. But basically, I'm trying to bring these guys to a little dipped valley bit where it's perfect for the tent, and there was a fire pit there, so I know it's doable. And it's one of those things where it was a while ago, and I think I found it a different way, so I was pretty sure I could get to it from the other side, and that's what I've been telling them, and they're a bit wary of me not being able to find it, so I want to hurry up and prove them wrong. Right, it's got to be. I reckon we've got to get to that tree and veer all the way, because yeah, I'm not going to babble on, but I know that we're near it. Oh, these plants are like waist high. Ju just mentioned a minute ago that he didn't want to walk through all this back there, so I can hear them talking. It's probably not going down well. But the tree's over there, so that's where it ends. Oh man, I feel like I'm gonna have to do such a massive tick check. Oh, and there's fucking webs. Right. Oh my god. Yeah, going through that was not fun, especially in this hot weather. It was annoying. It's inaccessible. I'm not going to be proving them right unless they're willing to cross the border. I'm surprised, look, the water's there. Thought the end of it was back there. Okay, here we go. I'll try and find a route for us. I thought we'd pass the water. It's always flipping harder than you think. Sugar. Thick spider web. Oh, God. Hate spiders. Oh yeah, that's a ton of water to get past. That's great. That's great. Oh. Oh, that's nice though. Oh shit. Oh, I nearly went in. This is ridiculous because it's not a good way to bring them. I'm rushing and now my ass is soaked a bit. there's just no way. There's no way unless we cross this deep river and it's waist friggin' high. Buggered up. Can't lead them to the promised land. And now I've got to tell him that, and he said a minute ago about a flat bit, so maybe we'll be going in a different spot, and I'm really gutted because I wanted to. You should see this area I found before. It's perfect. It's going to be perfect. It's not working out for me, so you probably want to show me the flat bit, because if I was on my own I'd go around that way now, because it's just river there and it's like waist deep. My phone's heating up. Great. Well, I just looked. I didn't get too far. There was rocks to stand on, and it gets to a point where the bush, like, it's not like behind us here where you could at least see some trails and still have to burst through your whole body. This is pretty much so dense you have to make your own trail, and it's just over there, and then we just gotta, and then so now I'm gonna go check out back through that. It's just over there. Mark said there's a flat spot. Oh, it's coming up to flipping 5, and I'm still in this little spot because I put my microphone on my bag, and then I've come back after admitting defeat and told you we're gonna walk through this, and notice my microphone's not on my flipping bag, on my shoulder strap. And so we've wasted some time trying to find it. And I have got a spare, but should be there already. And now these two are giving doubts about if this is the way we just came. They're trying to find the little flat spot that they're going to show me, because it's our plan B. It is not going how I planned it in my head. I was just going to do this, and I'll just do that, and then we'll be there. No. And it all leads to the same place anyway, so... Definitely that way, yeah? Nothing's definite, he says. How did we not pass these rocks on the way in? Because we were over there. Oh, for Christ's sake. Right there, it looks like. Oh my God, I've just realised what area it is. It's the boggy bit I was talking about on our way in, when I was saying if it was any other day we wouldn't have been able to walk over that. But oh, the difference under here with this breeze and that, isn't it lovely and cool under here? Just got to figure out where to put the tent now. And Mark says on the bog. It's all lumpy and bumpy and that. If that's the best spot, I thought, oh, the sun's on it there, isn't it? And there it's a bit more slanted. Like I said, with our beds, we won't feel the lump and bump. Yeah, I meant just walking around in general and tripping and shit. Over there and here is much more better ground. I can't believe how strong the wind is in here. Seems like the wind was non-existent out in the sun there. So we've decided it's not going to be up there where Dew is. It's not going to be over there where I just thought it would be. And it's not going to be in that bog a bit. I thought that was all the way up, but here, it's like it was made for our tent. We share this area with froggies. God, he's so quick. Well, we had a sit down. And then Mark's realised that his Crocs that were hanging on bungee cord with his drinks canister, which is there, and his bungee cord is there, they've fallen off somewhere. Between here and where I lost my mic. So I've lost my mic, now Mark's lost his Crocs. He's off looking for them. We're supposed to be setting up by now, so I think I'm going to make a start.
The fact that how did he tie the canister?
Yes, it's not, it doesn't make sense in my head. How is the canister here, but the Crocs aren't? If they fell off, how did they fall off the string that was...
Well, it depends on how he tied them, I guess.
Oh, I bet he's raging. And he can't remember the exact route that we walked, so, because this stuff is so thick. But I better make a start, because I got a feeling he ain't going to find him, and he's going to come back pissed. Yeah. Now let me get on a rock. No way, he's got them. Where were they?
Lost in the Java code.
What, along the trail? And now it's 5:30, the tent is finally up. We share because it's massive. Yeah, we share when it's just me and Mark, because otherwise just more stuff to carry. He's been at this tree, and then these two, now he's those two. He don't know where to go. He didn't bring a hammock because we told him, oh, just, you'll need a tent. I didn't think he wouldn't bring the hammock. He usually hammocks it in summer, but he didn't bring it because he just brought a tent. So I finally bring my hammock, a chair and comfort, and he's stealing it for the night. But I'm definitely going to have some relaxation time in that thing. Oh, I've been waiting ages to have nice weather and trees available in the spot we're in to use it. Can't wait. Let's get our stuff in there then.
The first thing I normally do when I set the tent up is glide down.
That was coming.
Yeah, I had one. Yeah. Just like a 60-pound packing weight.
Where will I hang?
Is that holding on?
Oh, this is the life. Swinging in a hammock on a warm, sunny day in the wild woods. To the yeah. I'm just trying to envision what a night would be like in here, because we always said we would want to do a hammock camp one day where we just give up the tent and try a hammock for the night like Jew has many times. But he said a minute ago he don't think we'll ever will. And that makes me sad, because I really want to try. But I've just been like shuffling around in the positions that I sleep in, and, you know, picturing it in the dark and the wind suddenly swaying and stuff. I've just discovered I definitely can't go on my belly. But I can't deny there are comfy positions, and it makes me think wouldn't be so bad. Oh man, feel like I could take a nap right now. Just noticed this by the hammock. It's this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. An old circle, like, I wonder how long ago this fire pit was made, if it was, because it's weird that it's on a slant, so maybe I'm talking bollocks. Once satisfied with the position of the hammock, so now we got it between this tree and the tree it was originally on. Like that. Pretty close to the ground, but a lot better. It is 7:15, and as you can see, Mark is starting to collect wood. We've been chilling out and we just thought, fire. But this guy thinks there's not enough wood. Let's prove him wrong. There we go, look. Not bad to start. Not bad indeed. I'll let him off because he finished right this morning. He's a night worker. But now we decide where to make the fire. And I'm thanking the universe for this area because the ground is moist and very diggable. Got this for a kind of rough estimate. Pretty good, so start digging. And the lid comes free. That is one of the thickest lids I've had, but it's a good lid. It's a good enough hole. Let's add the stones. Must be camping without time going, If you're wondering what that is, it's just a makeup cotton pad soaked in wax, and then you just break it, expose the fluff, and light. And we're away. Don't get out it every time. Crazy how we don't even want this heat that was being in, but need it to cook. Right, we got all the white embers at the bottom, lovely. And then we just got the next size of thickness. There we go, look. Just as I start recording, it catches again. I was going to blow it, but there's so much wind. It's doing it for me. Cheers, Mother Nature. Oh yeah, it's a thing of beauty.
You just saw the bigger ones now.
Oh, I picked a bad spot. Boiling. Alright, this has been piled with the even thicker ones now, and soon we are going to start cooking. This guy is hungry.
Start from there. Did you like cook?
A bit. I haven't even shown you what we got this time, have I? So we've had these before, barbecue, kofta kebabs, and then this is the lovely salt and chili chicken we had last time in the back. And then we've got some Cumberland pork sausages as just extra. I think that's more chicken. Yeah, we're gonna eat good. This is really low and I was supposed to buy a new one this week. I didn't get round to it, so hopefully it's still alright. For tea time! I just panicked because I'm used to having my pot. I forgot I own this now.
That'll probably still fall off.
Yeah.
We are coming up to 9:30. We've got a gorgeous sky going on. There's some purpley pinkness happening. Love it. Bellies are full. And we're just bringing back the flames. It's a bloody thumbs up scenario.
I just like normals.
I like bouncing between Normal and Cumberland. Always.
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, pork and caramelised onion. God damn, it's good.
It's still there.
The way he said it. Puts no effort to
It's 10:10 and Dew is hitting the hay. We were just saying it's funny, it looks like his tent is so far off the ground, but obviously his weight's got to bring it down. God, it's flipping darker over there. I said hammock, did I? I said tent, did I? No, man. I can't wait to get a better camera. That is the plan. Well, me and Mark jinxed ourselves. About an hour ago, odd, we were saying how we're so hidden in here with the trees and the thick bushes that there'd be no chance of seeing a flipping mysterious lights in the distance. And what did we just spot over there going along the path? 2 flipping lights. Always at night time, a little reminder that we're not truly alone. For the love of God. The hell is this flipping music? Well, it's 11:15 now, and me and Mark are just waiting for this to die down. And the wind is roaring in this area, so I'll be putting a bit of, I was going to say a bit of mud, but we got plenty of water, so I'll put a bit of water on it. Make sure it doesn't light up again. Do the old star check, and 1's coming up. But they are pretty much everywhere. It's beautiful. God, even though we're waiting for it to die down, the urge to just chuck fresh ones on and see the flames roar up again, still strong within me. Crush those embers. There we go. Water poured, smidge of mud, and rocks covering it, so the wind will not reignite. We've just packed away some stuff. Time to get in. I wish I'd filmed sooner. That star was so bright and big. It just flew right past. Biggest one I've ever seen moving. Of course now it's a bit further on and I'm late filming. It just looks like it's still, but it sailed all the way past over us. Oh god, I can't wait to get a camera that can pick up what I can see, because the sky is plastered with stars. It is gorgeous. Anyway. Oh, I hate my camera in here at night time. It's crap. Look at the state of that. Anyway, it's got about 12. I'll see you in tomorrow. Yeah, constant. Let's try and make Camp 30 no fucking forget things, you know? Oh, yes. Beat down on my face, son. So crazy, like the wind was, yeah, it was really blowy when we arrived and stuff, but the entire camp, it seemed to die down. And then as soon as we noticed that we were all going to bed, my God, all night long, that was windy as hell. And at 4 a.m, I had to come out for the loo. That was really fun. And then I got woke up 4 hours later with another toilet trip. It's like, how does it fill up after 4 hours? It's gone 9 o'clock now, and we are finishing up the morning chill. Soon it will be time to do my most favorite part of the camp, where we get to like pack everything away and put things back in their bags and stuff, and you know how I love that. A wunderbar Camp 29. It's always in the morning after the camp. I have a little walk around, and I noticed other places the tent could have gone. It's a hell of a soft here. Oh, look over there, over there, under that tree somewhere is my microphone. Can't believe I lost it. Can't believe it. I've kept it for so long. I think it's that tree. Oh, I keep having these fantasies about going over there, finding it, being so happy, skipping back. I don't know if I want to gander. One last little look. why did I do this? There's no clear flipping way to go, and I don't know if I'm walking through spider webs and ticks. Pushing through! Pushing through! Fantasy of possibly finding it again is too strong. And I've gone past halfway, but it's up to my flipping shoulders. There we go, last bit. Whoa, I just lost the flip flop. We're here. Okay, I can't see any ticks. Don't know what time it is, it's probably coming up to 10, but Mark went over here earlier for a loo and said he spotted another area, so we're just having a gander. We were just saying, I was just saying this, so we're so lucky to be in here because it's it's still a bit soft. This strong heat wave we've had has still not took away all the moisture. This area is just constantly boggy all year round, so really fortunate to have spent the night under here. Any other time it'd be impossible. So we're under there, just coming up to here. Oh, we want to do a river spot one time. Oh yeah. That's a gorgeous area. Yeah. Man. Yeah. I see it. I envision it. Oh God, I'm supposed to better get back and get that fire pit covered up. Now that's bone dry now. There we go. I mean, to me and you guys, look at that circle. But to anyone else who might pass by to the untrained eye, you'll never know. I didn't notice that Mark had started unpegging it and then it started blowing away. I quickly set up the camera. Missed that. God's sake. Right, we're approaching 11:30, and it's that time where I say it's time to leave this beautiful spot. Goodbye, microphone, wherever you are. I thought we were nearer the river. Oh, it's always a blur trying to remember the way you came.
Huh? I think that's going away. I think we need to do that. I don't know. I don't know.
Right, does it look like there's a path through there where you just saw?
I think the easiest way would be follow the river.
Follow the river. Well, let's hope there's a path that's alright for our bags and that. Christ, there's stones in a circle here, but it doesn't even look like there's been a pit.
Might go closer to the river.
It's just been one stone removed. The river's down here, so another camping spot. Oh man. Oh, somebody already had a pit. Oh, this is beautiful. And that's a nice river sound. Yeah, that's just a trickle. It's not roaring or anything.
If only we can go across, it would be a lot easier to get out, don't you? Like across there. I think we can cross the river down here. Maybe cross the river and try that.
Oh yeah, thank God. Right, well, looks like we're crossing the river. Oh man, I think it's a good point to leave it. I was really gutted that I couldn't get to the spot that I knew was there. That really bugged me, but as always, even when the plan fails for the spot, we always end up in a beautiful spot anyway. And fortunate enough to actually go under there because it was bog city on any other day. So yeah, really happy about that. And I forgot to mention, Stu said in the night, a fox sniffed his hammock and he had to like shoo it away. I haven't heard anything to do with foxes in years, so that was cool. But yeah, I guess I'll be seeing all of you on the Camp 30. I can't wait, it's gonna be good. I'll see you next time. I wanna be camping. Look at this, look. Just after I finish recording. This is what people complain about when they say that you're scarring the ground. When they just leave it, like not even stones, look. How ugly is that?